Driver, roll out.
Yeah, don't tell us what to do, Mr. Man on the radio. You're not our... It is, sir. Oh, I'm gonna get fired for that. That was our boss.
For the next 8.5 hours, you'll enjoy a really, totally realistic Florida experience featuring eyes, mountain camels, Humboldt penguins, and more.
One heat waving a big fry down here. That should be illegal. That red sun, that means sweet.
And learn about real Florida with the Gator Gardens gang, Aaron the Aardvark, Kenny Marmosetti, and Chelsea the Chameleon.
Chameleon with a K. Sound out, right?
Welcome to Gator Gardens.
Gator Gardens is the place to put a smile on your face. Big animals for everyone. Fun critters are so fun.
What's your name, sir?
Jordan?
Jordan? Do you want to listen to that music for 8.5 hours as they talk about plastic animals?
No.
Like where your head's at. If everybody thinks it's a better idea to steal this buggy and find Swampy Sal's old gator hole, y'all give me a big old yeah!
Yeah!
Alright, I'll take it. Y'all hold on tight. We're gonna go off-road.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we going to do what they say can be done?
This is crazy driver.
We
Man.
going to
We're definitely gonna get fired for this one, but that's okay. We'll go that fancy old French driver. Let's get some French fries off the top after the old driver makes it look here. I wanna get picked up for
Buggy, this is base. We don't see you on course. Come in, over.
that's because Jordan stole the buggy. I'm so sorry, Jordan. I panicked. It's okay. There's not cameras out here, so we should be good. Okay, there are cameras. Everybody smile away with the cameras. It's gonna look great on our wanted poster. They're like my granny used to say, if you're gonna go to jail, might as well go big. So it's fine. Okay, lost and really lost. Jordan, you got any ideas?
Really lost.
Really lost?
Really
All
lost.
right. Let's hope this works out. Look at that. Sure did. Jordan, you must have a sixth sense for this kind of thing. What's this say? One may lay up the walls and run it whatever one she was they cut down. Is that a big tall brown one with the sticks in it? Yeah, she knows where she's going. On the way there, y'all look at you right. I'm gonna point out some of my favorite plants. Y'all see that tall one up there? I like that one. Love the color green on this one there, huh? Isn't that just nice? Yeah, hey, this is where Swampy Sal's girlfriend Jenny used to live. Looks like Gator Gardens. Yeah. She did the fireworks and Jenny's last night. Okay, we may have to make a pit stop. I'm gonna pick up some fireworks and moonshine. Which one did she live in? Was it 867 or 5309? Okay, 867, 5309. What, are you not appreciating your 80s or something? Huh? Do you listen to that Miley Cyrus?
Miley Cyrus.
Is it Justin Lumber Pond? You don't listen to One Direction, do you?
What?
Okay, well, unfortunately for all of us, we're going to be going One Direction, so y'all hang on tight. Let's see. We lost somebody. Should I tell them? Lawsuits, good point. All right, the driver's informed me the road ahead might get a little cattywampus, so y'all do me a favor and hold on real tight, all right? If y'all don't know what cattywampus means, you're about to learn real quick. First you hit your catty, and then you hit your wampus. Remember, when you're stealing a buggy like this, you gotta look out for any signs of danger, okay? So if y'all see any signs, you let me know.
Danger!
Wait, what's that say? Unstable area. Unstable! Okay, that was more stable than most of my past relationships. What's that say? See on the news tonight? Hey, Belle was on the news once. She was running real fast. She got electrocuted. Y'all see that show, Cops? Yeah, maybe don't post any pictures of her. I think they're still looking. Y'all smell that? That wasn't me this time. That's because we rolled up into hallowed ground. This here is the legendary Alligator graveyard. You see when gators and crocs over at Gatorland achieve the legendary status. They are buried here with the likes of Cannibal Jake, Bonecrusher, and the mythical Swamp Ghost. Now guys, you guys can tell from their graves, people really love visiting these guys and give them all sorts of trinkets. You got hats, shirts, beads, and all sorts of stuff, but nobody, and I mean nobody, loved him more than Swampy Sal. In fact, he named these here buggies after him. This one here is Swamp Ghost. Do y'all know the legend of the Swamp Ghost? I'm about to learn y'all the story then. Legend has it deep in the Louisiana bayou. You stare into the piercing blue eyes of a white alligator. You receive good luck for the rest of your life. But I call hokey on that one. We went over to Gatorland. They had some of them gators. We looked at their eyes, and we're about to get fired to be Uber drivers. So I don't think that look thing works out. All right, y'all see this bump up ahead? That's what I like to call the ex-girlfriend bump. Because like I told her, we're gonna get all over it. Man, there's nothing in the world that can stop this 2-ton, high-octane, mirror-color redneck engineer. Especially got crazy drivers like Mel. Okay, almost done this. Who put up the scary Jurassic Park game?
Just said that.
Hey, bud, do you mind if we break it and enter into your rap sheet? Go big or go home, right? I like it. You got any ideas for how to get through these gates? This is a Chevy, not a Dodge. We can't afford to ram through them. I'll take the groans. Driver, you got any ideas? Redneck magic, I like it. On the count of 3, I'm gonna do some redneck magic. Y'all might want to cover your eyebrows. Last time this blew up on our faces quite literally, so if you don't want them, you don't have to cover them. But on the count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, clap on. Okay, well that worked out pretty well. We get to keep our eyebrows. Yeah, that bit of clap on redneck magic cost $9.95 plus shipping and handling, but we didn't have any of that good luck, so we couldn't afford the shipping or the handling. So we did like any normal person would do. Is in that situation, we trained a raccoon to turn the lights on, not force me clap. But y'all seen that Jerry Springer show? You know, Jerry. Yeah, I've never seen a raccoon so confused in my whole life. Look like a disco party. Look at that. We have rolled up on the Swampy Sal Gator Pond. We used to say there's no better attraction in Florida than Florida itself. There's no better proof of that than gators in this here pond. Can y'all believe that there are 7 alligators in here? Sure doesn't look like it all the time, but if you look up under the branches, you'll see it. In business, they talk about it's all about location. But this might not have been the best spot for that bungalow. Or that Dodge shop up there. But I got a bundle going on right now. Go ahead, happy hour at the Moonshine Emporium. It only cost you an arm and a leg to go down with the gators. Yeah, that one that was just in our path, that's Larry. I'll say hi, Larry. Yeah, some of those words he's our instigator. Alright, now like my granny used to say, if you're gonna break and enter, you gotta know when to leave a secret crime. Should light this shit. Guess that's beside the point. But this gate's the newer gate, so it should blow up in our faces when we do the redneck magic, so maybe don't hold into that. This time though, we're gonna do it all together on the count of 3. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap on. There we go. Just like we wanted it to. Big guys, look out the sides, look at the back, make sure we don't have anybody following us. Go to the sides, nobody too being scaly. We good? Alright, we don't want any tailgaters. Alright, we're gonna take you guys over the bridge. Back to the parking lot. Hey bud, what'd you do to the bridge?
What?
What'd you do to the bridge up there? That was a whole bridge. Did you break it?
I chased on it.
Whatever you do. Yeah. That must have been a lot of work, man. That was a big old bridge. Wish I could have been here to see that thing fall. We're just gonna do it ourselves. But you got any ideas how to get over this trouble? Okay, you got an idea. Take the whole group. Ramp over it, Dukes of Hazzard style, yeah. And explode in a ball of fire. Y'all ready to die in a ball of fire? Okay, y'all are real accepting of death. Y'all hang on tight. Full speed ahead! I'm just kidding. We can't do that. We can be TV. Oh, look, stupid. Alright, let's take them off to the redneck helicopter shortcut. Open the door. Not you, Mel. You're the driver.
Is she terrified?
Is that your farm?
She likes
Did you
it.
hear the big news?
Yeah, this guy in the back's about to be arrested. The redneck
That
thought I was
Gator
breaking and
Gardens
entering.
CEO has done been arrested. Controlling interest of this year's swamp buggy tours reverted back to me. Swampy Sal.
Oh, look at that. Swampy Sal got his ride back. Looks like we're off the hook for all the crimes. That works out pretty well, huh? Alright, now you guys make sure to stay seated. Now we got to ride on the style. If you enjoyed this ride, give a big old round of applause to your great driver, Mel. Oh, that was 2 less size than you'd never know, right? Now make sure to check out my